Everybody, today we're going to go ahead and demonstrate to you one of our brand new items. This is going to be a refrigerator freezer walk-in box door. Okay, we're going to be selling just the door itself. That gives you the option. Let's say some people want to build their own walk-in box and you just need the door. Okay, so we will be selling just the door itself for your walk-in box. Whether it's for refrigeration, freezer, doesn't matter. It's for any walk-in box. You will build your own, and this is going to be the final piece that you will need, or the door, obviously. And I'm just going to go ahead and measure this frame for you. It'll measure 45 inches. Okay, thickness of the wall that your wall needs to be, thickness has to be 4 inches. Okay, so 4 inches for the thickness, and the overall height of this piece, you're looking at 89 inches. Okay, 89 inches of the overall height for this piece. Okay, and also on the very top you will see a wiring there. This is a heating element. Okay, so it is set up for 220 volt. Okay, so wiring element, or for your heating element, just to make sure that the inner right here pieces do not get filled up with ice. Okay, so it's more like a, like a defrost function, so that your inner walls don't get built up with ice. Okay, so this piece right here. Okay, so it works so that this piece does not fill up with ice once you open up the door. And then this is a connector right here for the lights. Okay, there will be lighting obviously included in the if you build up your walk-in box. You will be provided with keys on your door as well. Okay. Also, I'm going to go ahead and measure the inside entry for the door. Okay, so you're looking at 32 inches on the height. You're looking at 71 thickness. There'll be 4 inches, as I mentioned before. Okay, so that's going to be a little demonstration on this door. As I mentioned, we're just selling the door itself. You have the option of building your own walk-in box. Also, you may note that it does look white on your, it does have protective peel-off sticker. Okay, so you can go ahead and peel this off once you receive it, as you can see here. Okay, so it's just for the door. Okay, so this video is just for the door. If you're interested in that, go on our website, coolerdepotUSA.com. We'll update more information regarding that, including the price. And if you have any other questions regarding this door, you can also give us a call and we'll help you guys out. Thank you for watching.